Hello guys! Kakaligo ko lang kasi galing ako sa mountain. Nagtanim kami ng pine trees. And then, bumaba ako kasi sobrang sobrang mapagi. Say hi, anak!
My slipper!
Halos wala ka nang makita. Sorry guys! Medyo maingay pa yung mga motorcycle ng mga tao. So, yun. Ayun, umalis na sila. So, hindi na masyadong maingay. Sorry, guys! So, eto, kakaligo ko. Halos wala kang makita. Sobrang kapal ng fog. Say hi, anak! Yeah.
Hi.
Sobrang lamig. Malamig talaga. Kasi, kakaligo ko. So, naulanan ako. After ng ulan, ito na yung nangyari. Sobrang kapal ng fog. So, ang sarap talaga dito sa sa Bagani, Marilog District. One of the districts ng Davao City. So, I know there are a lot of people who are staying here and who visited the place. So, for those who have not yet visited the place, or for those who wants to visit the place, just like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can come and visit the place. So come visit our place. We can do hiking.
I wanna say it. I
Yeah.
wanna.
What do you say?
Gimme. Guys, there will be some rules that
Come here, I will just take this.
Wait. Guys, there's some rules here that you must follow because those are the things you should do.
Later.
You might be able to close your in this house if you wanna have a sleepover here. The lights will be closed at 11.
11? No, I don't think so.
This will be the lights closed. The lights will be closed in this house. Will be like 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. If we accidentally forgot to close the light on 7 p.m., it's okay. We're just gonna off the lights at 8 p.m. And then there's some rules on the mountain, which I'm gonna tell when any of you visit this Marilug house. Right, Mama? So there's 3 rules to go up to the mountain, and there's 2 rules to stay here to do that. I already told the second rule, the last rule, second rule.
Can I have na? Thank you.
Can you tell the
Oh, okay.
first rule?
Hi guys. This is
And if you want me to tell
this
you
is terrific.
Nana.
She said she will make some rules if we open
I
this
already
to
made.
public. So,
Even though it's not public, we still need rules.
oh yeah. So,
For the mountain and to stay here, we'll be offing the light at... You're supposed to be sleeping pala at 4 p.m.
Ay.
7 p.m. to
Yeah.
8 p.m.
here at Marilog,
So
naman, you will
and
tell them that we don't have yet electricity here.
we don't have yet electricity here, so if the water runs out, just tell me or Mama. If I'm not around,
Okay.
if I'm not around saying hi to if I'm not around, when I'm saying hi to the dogs, and I'm not in the upstairs, because that's where we're gonna sleep when anybody's sleeping here.
Okay.
So you can tell my ate Kip, but if he's not around also she's also playing with me and the dogs, tell Mama.
Yeah.
She will tell some of the people to fix the
Actually, there are some places pa dito sa Marilog na there's no electricity yet. But in our case, since we don't have electricity yet, pero I think paparating na din this year. So, we installed solar panel here in our place so we can have electricity here. So, we use solar here, which we love to do din kasi so that at least we can um, lessen din sa burden ng electricity, tama ba?
Guys,
It's good kasi we don't have to pay monthly.
and it's so free here. If you are the owner in the house, but you don't need to pay any bills here. If you wanna stay here, just don't just tell us we need water. Just tell us if we have no water. That doesn't mean you have to pay any bills or anything. Get not any blah 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 like that. So you just have to tell us if there's any problem. You can tell us and we can eventually fix it.
Yeah.
But that will take for a minute.
Okay.
For a few
Yeah.
days.
So here we don't have bills to pay monthly for the
Everything
electricity.
here is free.
Since hindi naman ganun kalaki yung electricity if you have here, kasi we don't use aircon. Sa sobrang ang coldness is 24
So guys,
hours.
if you really think that we have aircon here to make it so cold, we don't really have.
Oh, show them the fog. Come on.
So guys, here are the fog. So our mountain is gone. Okay. Yes. Whatever. See, our mountain is eventually gone. See it right there. See, our mountain is completely gone. Yeah. Very gone. Like so. So the house is completely filled with fog. See, everything begins to be blurry, and then it feels like your eyes are feeling burning like that.
Yeah. Kasi sa sobrang fog ng place, you see, halos wala kang makita talaga.
Where are the houses there? I don't know where the houses
Ang
are.
sarap-sarap dito, guys. So truly, we are so thankful to the Lord for giving us this place.
We
for
are
giving us.
guys. We're thankful to the Lord for giving us this place.
Yes.
And I'm very happy.
Oh, yes.
You look like I'm on top
Oh,
of you.
yeah. Sobrang lamig talaga.
Ooh.
So, you don't need aircon.
Yeah. But
Kasi 24 hours yung lamig talaga. As in, malamig.
Give me.
You really need to.
Guys, this place is crazy because we don't even need aircon. And my papa is not here right now, but Papa is wearing need lots of blankets. He sometimes tells Mama. He sometimes tells Mama to give him the most fluffiest blanket to keep him warm. But me, when I first end up on the bed, I don't wear a blanket. Then when I wake up, I'm wearing a blanket.
Yeah. So here,
Eventually,
you really need a blanket.
but not for me.
Yung sobrang kapal na blanket. So sobrang kinaw.
And guys, there's something I need to tell you. My slipper fell.
Yeah. Okay, I think we need to say bye-bye
Wait,
for now. No.
Wait, I gotta tell something to you guys. As you can see, but when I go out and then there's no sun or anything, and I don't need to wear a hat or anything, and an umbrella, I don't need that.
Okay, I think we need to say bye-bye. It's already
wait
time.
for a minute, okay, guys. I'm like cool with the wind. My mama wears a jacket, and I don't wear any jacket. My papa asked me
Yeah,
if
it's raining right now.
My papa asked me if I need a blanket. I say no. I say no. I'm not cold. I'm hot.
Okay. Bye-bye for
My
now.
thinking is hot.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Ooh, gotta get some aircon.